Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that blends classic British heritage with modern engineering, the 2025 Triumph TR6. Whether you're a die-hard Triumph fan or someone just discovering this legendary name, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore every curve, component, and innovation of this new age icon. First, let's talk about design. The 2025 TR6 pays homage to its 1960s roots while confidently stepping into the future. You'll immediately notice the classic teardrop fuel tank, the slim profile, and the retro round headlamp, all true to the spirit of the original. But take a closer look, and the modern details start to shine: LED lighting, minimalist digital instrumentation, and finely machined aluminum accents give it a refined and premium finish. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, lies Triumph's updated 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This power plant is Euro 5 Plus compliant, but don't let that make you think it's gone soft. It delivers around 68 horsepower and 47 lb-ft of torque, giving you plenty of grunt for both city rides and spirited weekend blasts through twisties. The engine is smooth, responsive, and unmistakably Triumph, with that signature British twin thrum that brings a smile every time you twist the throttle. The chassis and suspension setup on the 2025 TR6 has been subtly re-engineered for a more responsive ride. You get a tubular steel frame matched with twin shocks at the rear and 41mm telescopic forks up front. Triumph has tuned it for comfort without sacrificing handling, making it incredibly stable in corners while staying plush on rough roads. Braking performance is solid, too. The TR6 features a single 310mm disc up front with a Nissan 2-piston caliper, and a 255mm disc at the rear, both equipped with ABS as standard. It's not track spec, but more than capable for the kind of riding this bike is built for: daily rides, weekend getaways, and just cruising with style. Triumph has also worked on rider ergonomics. The seat height sits comfortably at around 31 inches, which makes it accessible to most riders. The handlebars are upright, the footpegs are mid-mounted, and the seat is well padded. It all adds up to a very relaxed, natural riding posture that you can enjoy for hours. When it comes to features, the TR6 keeps it simple, and that's part of the charm. You won't find traction control, ride modes, or a TFT screen. What you do get is a beautifully backlit analog speedometer with a small LCD insert, USB-C charging, and a discrete immobilizer. It's a purist S-bike, built to ride, not to distract. In terms of build quality and finish, Triumph has once again nailed it. The paintwork is deep and lustrous, the chrome is real metal, not plastic, and every detail from the badging to the seat stitching feels carefully considered. It comes in a few colorways, including classic British racing green, jet black, and a limited edition burnt orange with hand-painted pinstripes. Price-wise, the 2025 TR6 slots in just below the Bonneville T100, making it a strong value proposition for anyone looking for a timeless machine with modern reliability. Triumph also offers a wide range of accessories, from luggage racks and fly screens to custom exhausts, so you can really make it your own. To wrap things up, the 2025 Triumph TR6 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and the pure joy of riding. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone, it just focuses on doing one thing incredibly well: delivering a beautiful, engaging ride that connects you to the road and to the spirit of motorcycling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed bike content, and let us know in the comments, would you take the new TR6 over a retro modern rival like the Royal Enfield Interceptor or a Yamaha XSR 700? Ride safe, and see you in the next one.